Do you remember the first time you heard that song? I sure do, and I instantly wanted to know, how do I make that lead sound? Today we're trying to remake BFG Division's synth lead sound from the Doom soundtrack. Composed by Mick Gordon, BFG Division has become synonymous with the intense action of the Doom franchise. It was and still is my favorite song from that soundtrack. I mean, the level of production is to this day unmatched. But to remake that lead sound properly, I had to pinpoint the elements that make this sound unique. So I dived back into the game soundtrack. To finally come up with three elements that makes this sound unique. The portamento, the unstable texture, for this we'll use FM and noise, and the subtle distortion. We'll be using Serum to recreate it, but you can also follow along using Vital, which, by the way, if you didn't know, is free. Let's do this. Let's start by choosing our waveforms. So we're gonna go to analog section and basic shapes, then the sawtooth waveform. We're gonna do that for both oscillators, just like that. Then I'm gonna turn up oscillator A 2 octaves and oscillator B 1 octave. I'm gonna turn down oscillator B around halfway and turn up oscillator A all the way up. Then I'm gonna turn up the unison for oscillator B up to 5 and oscillator A 3, just like that. And this is the sound we have right now. Not quite there yet. Next, we're going to activate the noise oscillator. That's what is gonna give us the texture. Yes, the texture. I'm gonna turn down the level. Then we're going to, this is the secret sauce, by the way. We're gonna take oscillator A and we're gonna assign it FM from noise oscillator, and the same thing for the second oscillator. And then you're going to turn it up until it starts moving, buzzing. We're gonna do oscillator A first. See, this is too much. Just like that. And then oscillator B, we're gonna do the same thing. And oscillator A, we're gonna turn down the detune a bit. About 1/3, like that. Next, we want another oscillator. We're gonna use the sub oscillator, activate it, and then take the sawtooth waveform. We're gonna turn it up 2 octaves. And then we're gonna turn it down. Just like that, because I want also a clean signal from a sawtooth waveform. Next, we're going to clean up the high end because the signal is very harsh for the ears. So we're going to activate the filter. I'm going to leave it at MG low 12. Click activate all the options there. And turn it down just a bit. Something like that. Then we want to activate the portamento. So we're going to go there, activate the mono, and then always. This is not like crucial. You can leave it like that, but you're going to have to write your riff differently. So always, and then something like 1/3 again. We're getting there. That's it for the oscillator panel. We're gonna go to the FX panel and add distortion. I use the tube distortion, but you can use the distortion you want that you find the best for your mix. We're going to turn up the drive all the way up and turn down the mix almost all the way down, something like 10%. We want something very subtle. Then the FM and the distortion created unwanted frequencies in the low end. So we're going to add an EQ and clean up the low end because this is a lead. So we want a clean low end, not too much. But this is too much. Then final touch, delay and reverb. Again, like my other videos, it's according to your mix. So we're gonna add some like room reverb, very subtle, clean the low end. Something like this. And then ping pong delay. Just like this. Let's do like dot like this. And then ping pong. Maybe clean up the high and low end. And just like this, you're ready to kill some demons. All right, so this is our final sound. If there's a sound that you like and you want me to remake it, leave it in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao.